robocalls can come during the morning, noon, or at night. In Michael DeLong's case, he's getting an automated call while cooking dinner.
This is a courtesy call for AT&T and DirecTV customers.
Severe frustration.
Disruptive is how he also describes the calls. He receives them so often, he can remember one of the voicemails a robocaller left him word for word.
We've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty. So, yeah, just super frustrated.
Going at least one full day without a call from some robot used to be impossible. That was until he learned there's power in knowing federal laws and his rights. There is work being done by the Federal Trade Commission and the Federal Communication Commissions to regulate and end the illegal robocalling industry. The government agencies report that they've stopped billions of calls already, but there is more work to be done because the calls still constantly come. Michael is also doing work on his own to not be bothered. He is using what's called the Turning Robocalls Into Cash kit. For every telemarketer that dials his number, using the kit, he's able to get some of the companies to cut him a settlement check for breaking federal law. So far, he's used the kit for a year and a half and claims to have made at least $9,000.
The money's nice, but it's not what is the point. Objective number one, stop the freaking calls.
Doc Compton is the creator of these kits. Just like the FTC and the FCC, he's helped end some robocalls for good by forcing them into bankruptcy. Before his days of busting robocallers, he spent years helping people to repair their credit and avoid debt collectors who were harassing them. From there, he took what he knew about consumer protection and consulted with his attorneys to make the kit. It's no surprise, robocallers are not happy with Doc and the information he's providing people so they can get the telemarketing calls to stop.
I'm not real popular. I won't be getting any Christmas cards anytime soon.
This is how it works. If you get an automated call or text without your written consent, the kit teaches you how to demand settlement money for illegal calls. If the company doesn't budge by paying up, you can decide if you want to take the company to court.
Because if they go to court, it draws a lot of unwanted attention. It can even bring on scrutiny from the FCC, the FTC, the Department of Justice, and they don't want that.
Michael says the robocallers haven't completely left him alone.
Screw you guys.
But he'll continue trying to stick it to the robocallers in the pockets until they've left him alone for good.